Well, howdy, donkeys, and welcome to this cat tutorial. I am now going to give you a tutorial about cat. This is cat. It's a small cat. It's a cute cat. Now, if we take a little closer look here, we can see, oh yeah, she's crazy. She's in a half relaxed but half alert state right now. Cats do that sometimes. She's got a meower right there. Look at her little meower. Yes, she's got some listeners up here. Very fuzzy listeners. They're fuzzy because it helps them listen. The fuzzier the listeners are. She's loafed right now, so we cannot inspect the rest of the cat at this moment. But if you take an even closer look, even closer. yes, that is a cat. I just want to make sure it wasn't a rabbit. It can be confusing sometimes. Cats and rabbits have some similar qualities, but yes. So with this cat, yes, it is a purring. The purring means it's plotting something. Probably murder, because it is a cat. But yeah, I mean, if you want to pet the cat, you simply pet the cat. But you must know the nature of the cat to know the proximity that you should be to the cat. I know this cat. Obviously, it is my cat. I raised this cat. It's a very friendly cat. So, like, you know, I can be, like, right up on this cat, and she does not care. She is quite desensitized to my behavior. I can dance and sing with the cat. She does not even acknowledge it. This is all normal stuff to her. But yeah, that's a that's cat for you. You can squish the cat to make it even more relaxed. Look at that. They like to be squished. Who knew? It's probably going to fall asleep in a second now. Squish the kitty. Yes. Oh. She's getting affectionate now. It seems that she has accepted me into her cat gang. That has always been the case. They lick you when that happens, and cats don't often do that, so you have to be very special to a cat before it will want to include you in its cat clique. Yes, they like being pet on the face, I've noticed too, assuming the cat wants to be touched. Unlike dogs, they like being pet on the face specifically. I feel like cats have more nerve endings there or something, and like it feels better to them. But yes, you can just like straight up pet a cat's face, like really pet that cat face. Yes. Well, this has been Donkey Boy's cat tutorial. Please comment, like, and subscribe for more cat tips and tricks. I'm the Donkey Boy, and this is Cat.